Okay, so today I got two today. That makes no sense, but yeah, I got two today. And they both feel like baseball cards, which I'm disappointed about. Hopefully that's not the case. This one's... the heck? Okay then, let me get that off my fingers. Okay, now the disgusting stuff is off my fingers. This guy's from Roger O or D Pool. Just rubbed it back on my finger. Okay, you know, I don't care. This one's from Roxanne M. Martinez. Okay, so what the heck is this? That is not a baseball card. What the heck is that? Thank you. Okay, I don't remember ordering that, but okay. Whatever that. Oh yeah, I do remember ordering that. A black cross, I guess. Stupid. Alrighty. Boom. In between two pieces of cardboard. I don't think someone's gonna put a baseball card in between two pieces of cardboard. Apparently people do put a baseball card, a football card actually, between two pieces of cardboard. Javon Hurst, first quarter. What the heck? I guess I can look this one up on eBay as well. So I just looked on eBay and I cannot find this guy. Javon Hurst. So today's episode I got a black cross and a card. Let's hope for better items tomorrow, if I even get anything tomorrow.